In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix. This process is essential for anyone looking to enhance the navigation of their website, giving visitors a seamless experience as they explore your content. Let's get started and dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. This is your primary workspace for making design and functionality changes to your Wix site. Once you're in the editor, locate your site's menu, which is usually positioned at the top of the page because that's where most users expect it to be. Click on this menu to begin the setup process. Now that you've clicked on the menu, you'll see a variety of options pop up. From these options, look for the one labeled Manage Menu and click on it. This feature allows you to adjust the structure of your menu, add new items, and customize existing ones. Once you're in the Manage Menu section, your next step is to add a new menu item. Look for a button that says plus add menu item. Click this button to start the process of creating a new navigation link. At this point, you might be wondering what kind of item to add. In this case, we're focusing on anchors. So once you've added a new menu item, select the option that says Anchor. By choosing Anchor, you're telling Wix that this menu item should link to a specific section of your page rather than a new page altogether. Now, a prompt will appear asking, where on the page, or something similar. This is where you'll specify the exact location on your web page that the anchor should jump to when clicked. After you click where on the page, you should see a list of available anchor sections. These anchors are predetermined sections of your web page that you can link directly to. Scroll through your options and click on the anchor section you want to use. The selections here depend on the layout of your page, so make sure you're choosing the right section that you want visitors to jump to. Lastly, after you have selected the anchor section, wrap up the process by clicking on the Done button. This finalizes your changes and links that menu item directly to the chosen anchor location. Just double check your site to ensure everything functions smoothly. Make sure to preview or publish your site to view the changes dynamically. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully linked a menu item to an anchor on your Wix site, making navigation user-friendly. This technique not only elevates the aesthetics of your site, but also enhances the user experience, ensuring visitors can easily access the information they need. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your website.